Eric Grant from Sayrite. Here's a question from one of our customers. What do you do when you're sewing binding with a zigzag stitch and your bobbin runs out? We're going to show you what to do. Oh, look, my bobbin ran out. So what do? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the balance wheel so the needle is up, and then I'm going to lift my foot and I'm going to pull my fabric out. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to load my bobbin in. We're in an industrial table. I could just replace it by putting my hand under here and pulling out the bobbin, but if you're in a carrying case, you would basically just lift your machine up and grab the bobbin like this, and you can tell that it's empty. And we're going to take it out and replace it with a full bobbin like that, and I'm just going to put it in from underneath since I can do it like that. Okay, then I'm going to grab this thread and lift up my thread as normal and get that thread on top. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut this thread, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the binding back through to the point where my stitches stopped, okay? And I'm going to pull this back as far as I can, and I'm going to lower the foot. I'm going to hold the trailers, and I'm going to do a stitch or two. 1, 2, and I'm going to do a little bit of reversing. And I'm going to continue to sew. And that's how you deal with a bobbin that's run out when you're sewing binding. And let's take a look at that junction. There you go. And we'd obviously trim our tails. Want to see more? Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.